So clicking him, click mode. Type string default focus. So click mode default focus, and if this data click mode is focus, then focus on the unit. Let's do it in the switch mode actually. Switch this data click mode. Oh, focus move. Wow. Not focus, but attack target. This unit. Okay, so attack target. Attack target. This unit. And attack target is a unit. Let's see, void. But then the unit is defined, and then who is a attacker. So const foe is okay. So foe is unit, right? Const foe is unit. Const attacker is the this unit on focus. Unit on focus is ID. So units. Sorry. Get one. This. Console.log attacker and foe, and then make the attack click mode target. Click mode attack. Okay, so target unit is found. Unit set attribute. What is it? The click mode attack. Okay, I think about that unit component, and I think that was this click mode attack. I think that was the case. Let's see, attack, sword, this guy, attacker, unit 4. Okay, so attacker and unit is defined correctly. Let's go, let's do it again. Attack, sword, this guy. So after clicking the enemy, then the function returns attack target. Attack target, yes, attack target function. Just right now it's logging the attacker and foe, which is this one, and then we have to pass the weapon that we just chose to attack this target. So, and then we will calculate if it hits, if it's noticed, if the foe can dodge or parry, so sort of stuff. So let's start with passing the weapon that was selected. So when sword was clicked, let's go to the I'm just going to make a select weapon method. It should return the weapon ID. That's a number. Oh, not the name, but weapon ID. That's a number. And this actor equipment for each equipment selected. So everything else would be unselected, and the one that's equipment ID, it's selected true. So yeah, the GitHub Copilot just did it for me. So equipment selected is Boolean. Select weapon, and that would happen at action. No, choose weapon on click. So unit select weapon method, and I'm just going to pass I, because our equipment actually doesn't have the ID. So weapon and I, it should be okay. And so that's that. And attack method const equipment is unit get one attacker ID. No, the attacker actor equipment I. So that's the weapon, right? And then what's the I? Sorry. Equipment is attacker equipment. No. That's okay. Find equipment selected. Then attacker for equipment. So this unit parameter is not showing anything up. So why is that? So unit passing unit. Okay, so unit is not really passed, so that should be okay. Attack. That's maybe spear. So this guy. Okay, so this time equipment spear is selected. Good. Okay, now so attack. Let's go back to attack target. So now this is the time. I have to maybe check if attack hits the target, and check if for notices attack, and check if for can dodge, check if for can parry, and if both of them failed, give damage to foe. So those are something that we need. So I think attack target will be very long method. I'm going to make it into a component. Stage new file. Attack target.ts, and export const attack target, and it takes attacker, foe, and equipment, and these are the functions that we're going to build. Okay, so check if attack hits const a save function. Just return. Let's return true for now. And const check if attack. If foo notices attack, return true. And const check if foo can dodge, return true. Const check if foo can parry, give damage to foe, return true. Yeah, so that's that. And if an attack hits, and if it's failure, then it's a miss. Return miss. Check if foe notices attack. So if foe notices attack, let's do the dodge and parry. And if it didn't, just go straight to the damage foe. Okay, so if foe can dodge, then return dodge. If foe can parry, then return parry. Give damage to them. Okay, so and return hit. Yeah. Okay, so attack. Sorry, target. And it takes attacker for equipment. Attacker for equipment. Attacker for equipment. Just do this. Okay. Now. That result is this one, and console.log result. And after getting the result, we have to animate it. But so the result should be actually an object that will have a bunch of different informations. But then dodge, yeah, it was able to dodge. So okay, so attack targets should return object, so not returning miss. So result is a miss. Return result dodge. Return result parry. Return result hit. And damage. And I give damage to return just say 10. Okay, so let's just return something random actually. Math random. Yeah. So if this guy attack by sword on this one, and the result was hit, and damage was 3.0. Okay, let's do it again. Miss, 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 hit, miss, 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 parry, dodge. yeah, okay. So sort of stuff. So I'm being able to attack. One very important thing about tactical RPG is you actually know the percentage of whether you hit the target, and you know how much damage that you can expect to give to the target before you actually make an attack. So that's what Tactics Ogre does, and that's why it gives you a lot of information how you will attack, because if sometimes you won't be able to hit the target even before you make action. So you will choose actually among the target, if you have selections, which target you want to attack, because you want to maximize the effect of it. So I'm just gonna skip that calculation for now and then go straight to attack, but I will be working on making that feature in the future.